Good evening, everyone. Welcome to 643boxbreaks.com and HatTrick 3-box break of Dominion Ultimate and Playbook. Here is our winner list. This has sold out about 5 minutes ago. Thanks to Aaron for snagging that last team. We got Mad Hat, Sean, Craig Duke, Rich, Jack, Socrates, Hockey Breaks Me, Bill, Stuntman, JHQ, Chuck, Mike, Cudfishy, Pete, good Dave Areno, J-Rob, and Aaron with the Jets. All right, and there's a National Treasure slot coming with this break. I'll do that at the end, and I'm going to go in this order. Playbook first. Ready, 2065340809. Hope you all had a good Thanksgiving. Come on. Why? No idea why it's being like this. Here we go. There we go. Just not want to focus on that one bit, but we get it. Box 1 of 3. Good luck. All right. Got 4 cards in this one. The first one is numbered out of 99. It's a chunk of something on there. Glue, it looks like. Gone now. That's a Bobby Ryan going to the Sens and Jack. Bobby Ryan auto. Nice. Going to the Dallas Stars and Bill. Number 2425, Breakout. Patch, or Prime, I guess it would be. 3-color Nachushkin. And from the back, before we get to the booklet, it is a Fowler base. Going to the Ducks. Our booklet looks like a Minnesota Wild. Going to Mike. Nice one. Numbered out of 199. Get yourself a Charlie Coyle. Move the auto. Pretty good box. All right, Ultimate. 2211587112. This one will focus a little quicker. There we go. All right. First card going to the Coyotes. And Jack. It's a Ribeiro base. Second card going to Jack. It's a Chris Brown rookie auto of $3.99. Ultimate rookies. Chris Brown. And a spacer. 2 more cards coming up. Nice. Going to Edmonton and JHQ. You got yourself an Eberle Ultimate Signatures. Nice card. Nice looking auto. And the last card. This one's going to have to be randomed. Between the Bruins, the Blackhawks, and the Kings. Ultimate Trios. Jonathan Quick, Corey Crawford, and Tuukka Rask. Let's do that at the end. Set that aside. All right, Dominion. 206525616. Sideways. Stupid camera is not cooperating today. Not sure why. There we go. Finally. I like to cut these ones. And a redemption on the bottom. A couple real thick ones in there. First card going to the Buffalo Sabres and Craig Duke. That is Ryan Miller. Second card going to the Buffalo Sabres and Ryan Duke. Double patch. Grigorenko and Dave Andreychuk. Time Warp. That's a nice card. There you go. Very nice. Double patch. Next card going to Dallas and Bill. You have nice. Nice one too. Alex Chason. He renamed himself back from Chason to Chason. Numbered out of 299. Rookie patch auto with a very nice patch. Lots of breaks and stuff in there. Good one. Nice hit. Looks like we got a Huberdeau auto. Yes, sir. Going to the Florida Panthers and Rich. Numbered out of 199. Private signings, Jonathan Huberdeau. Looks like 2 cards to go. Yep. Next one is a rookie. It says rookie. Yes. Anders Lee. Actually has a bunch of points, I think, this season. It's going to the Islanders and Lebo. And, oh, nice. Going to Minnesota and Mike. Peerless Patches rookie autos. Card number 16. Jonas Brodin. There we go. All right, so I'm going to randomize this one, and then I'll do the NT slot. So Boston and Tuukka Rask will be 1 to 10. 11 to 20 will be Chicago and Crawford, and 21 to 30 will be LA and Johnny. Okay, here we go. It's going to 14 and Chicago. Goes to Corey Crawford. And Chicago is Soccer Taz. There you go in. Nice card. All right, National Treasure slot time. I'm going to draw 1 chip from this Frankenstein head. And the chip that is drawn, that is the team that will win the free National Treasure slot, and you'll also win that same team. If it happens that that team's been already given away, you'll still win a team. I'll just redraw another chip and see what team you win. Here we go. Right from the bottom. We got the Preds. And the Preds are available, and that's going to Codfishy. There you go, Codfishy. You got yourself a National Treasure slot in a HatTrick auction break of National Treasures, which will include all 10 HatTrick bonuses. Alright guys, that's the multi for tonight. Check out my auction. I have 2 boxes of titanium Wednesday night. And see you then. Thank you.